Okay, so because I keep changing my mind on things, because I said I was gonna paint the whole lot, I actually need to address this bugger. This actually is scratch me being an absolute idiot while taking the rear seat and moving it around in the garage. There's a car. I actually scrapped the car completely. But either way, I wanted to leave this like this because I'm getting a wide body kit. And with the wide body kit, I'm going to have to cut this area anyway. However, the wide body kit is a Lions kit and they're made in Russia. So, no dice. Not at the moment. So yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to fix this. I'm going to address this, take the bumper off, just fix what needs to be fixed and then paint it, and then we can paint the bumper separately. can still see the little pore, so it means that it needs a little bit more sanding. Just gonna wait for this to dry and then carry on. Right, so I did some painting off camera. I got primer everywhere, and unfortunately, as you can see, there's some wobbly marks here still, so I'm still gonna have to apply some primer. I'm gonna have to put some more Bondo and sand it down a little bit more, and then I'll put the primer. Okay, so put some primer, sand it down, put some primer again. I think it's pretty good. I am not going to spend too much time on this because when I get the white body kit, this is going to be chopped off anyway. That's why there are some imperfections here. And to be honest, I don't care about those because I am going to chop this anyway. So yeah, gonna wait until this dries. Then it's painted blue. Okay, fully painted. Now I just need to apply the clear coat. I got some rundowns here, but I generally don't care. I can sand those off. But yeah, I'm not gonna spend too much time on this. Maybe I'll repaint the car on the later date. But I am happy with what I'm looking at. Again, you can see some marks here, but again, I don't care. This is gonna be chopped off anyway when I get the white body kit. So now let's just wait for the clear coat. I did off camera. I did put the first layer of clear coat, and I say did off camera is because I actually forgot to turn the camera on. Silly me. I'm just waiting for this to flash for a bit and dry. Not dry, flash, so it gets ready for the second coat of clear coat. I might put 3 coats, depending how this goes, and it might actually help. Get off the light. A little bit of the marks here. If I just overcoat it, I don't know. Who cares? But either way, I'll see if I'm gonna make sure I don't forget to turn the camera on for second layer of clear coat. Okay, so I need to start applying some seam sealer around here all the way to the other end of the car, and then scrape all of this old metal, put some rust converter, and then put some dinitrol at the bottom. So most likely you guys won't be able to see me do it.